Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SLV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis last week, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from, and talked about how the price had kind of gotten trapped a little bit below here, this level of resistance, which on my chart was denoted by that red line here. But the trap is no longer underway with the big gap up this morning. The overall uptrend continues, so a lot of updates here need to be made here. So let's just start off by, in actuality, I'm just going to get rid of both these lines. Yes, these levels still do pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant, and from a presentation standpoint where I sit, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible moving forward, and we'll just start over afresh as far as annotations. So one of the newest areas of support, what I would call the ideal level, say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above $22.50. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $220, $250, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay above that level, that would definitely be a great sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. And a very straightforward way to just gauge the health of the overall move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that, that is what has been represented. Again, yeah, staying above the green line would be great, but from the grand scheme of things, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance, they just don't matter. What do I mean by that? Well, let me squeeze down the chart here. What matters the most is what the price has already been doing, and that's this right here. Just building these higher bases, or if you want to envision these as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations, focus on just chipping away and building these higher bases, and sit back and let the overall trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.